We are here live with 2 Bolivian releases.
Yeah, super excited about this. Perennial crown jewel favorites, our pals Felix and his sister Yulissa Chambi. Got to meet them in person this year in San Diego, so maybe if you were at the show, you got to shake their hands or at least say hello. They're just super sweet people and they're making amazing coffee stuff happen.
Yeah, Yulissa is, I think she's about 24 now, and we started sourcing her coffee 3 years ago, which is pretty incredible that she's accomplished so much at such a young age, and it really only continues to get better with age. Felix is her brother, and he provides exporting support for her, so it really is a family affair. And this year we have a washed and an anaerobic coffee from the duo.
That's right.
What are you getting from the washed?
Yeah, this washed is like impeccably clean, really, really nice coffee. It's got the brightness of like a little bit of citrus and maybe like some dried, it's not like dried dark fruit, it's almost like dried apples, like those apple chips that are like sweet.
Yeah.
And still have a little bit of that like crisp brightness to them. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, definitely.
What else?
I feel like I'm getting some Nutella in there. There's some toasted hazelnut.
Yeah.
There are some citrus flavors. Maybe a little gentian, kind of reminiscent of a Negroni in some ways. It has that acidity. It has depth. Yeah.
Yeah, and super smooth, easy to work with, both like roasting and brewing. We've got it dialed as espresso right now. It's just a super great coffee, very versatile. You know, always lovely to know the people behind the coffees that we're enjoying.
Yeah.